We've got one more desktop PC to look at, and for me, it's in a bit of a weird bracket. We've seen the more everyday tower PC already, and once we start talking about premium towers, it's very easy to get into gaming with these massive beasts that have neon exploding from the sides and multicolored fans and all sorts of stuff. I mean, honestly, type in tower PC onto YouTube and see if you can find a home PC that's a tower that isn't related to gaming. It's a pretty hard task. So what are our options if you want a Windows 10 tower PC that has the power that you want, but has the elegance and style to fit in at home? Let's take a look at a HP. We've said before when we spoke about the Acer tower, link in the description to that one if you want to see it, but there's only so much you can do with a classic tower design. But I think HP have done a really great job with this front panel. This is the HP NV795. It's a clean design that gives you that premium feel that you would expect when you're spending in this sort of premium bracket. Straight away, that's the appeal of a machine like this. If you don't want a gamified look and it's in this tier, you'll be surprised by the amount of stylish options you actually have, so you're not going to end up with some lifeless brick under your desk. This would complement a home office easily. We're looking to tick off our modern spec sheet needs, so we have a 9th gen Intel i7 processor, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of SSD storage, 2TB of hard drive storage for archiving, and you've also got an NVIDIA 1660 graphics card, so yes, you can still game on this non-game looking PC. That's the modern spec sheet ticked off, and it's a nice step up from the Acer that we looked at. Next, we need a monitor, and if you're talking premium, we need an appropriately premium monitor. So we've gone with this HP 27-inch curved display. It's still a standard Full HD with a 60Hz refresh rate, but this large monitor is great for getting into your zone, and there's just something about having a curved display that really drives that feeling. The snap feature is something that is a staple of Windows 10, and it's great on a laptop, but putting it on a large display like this is something a laptop simply can't beat. It's multitasking without sacrifice. So even if I have Windows open in all 4 corners, I've still got a good read on everything that I need to see. Beyond that, it's worth talking about accessories. We've mentioned before that all-in-ones get you the joy of no fuss, but then that's it, that's what you've got. You're probably not going to look at changing that anytime soon. The best part of a tower is that it's normally got enough ports for you to add things as you wish whenever you want. Do you want Windows Hello facial recognition? Sweet, no problem. Grab yourself a webcam that supports it, plug it in, pop it on top of your display, and there you go, you're sorted. Would you like to take advantage of the touch features of Windows 10? Even better, there are plenty of fantastic touchscreen monitors out there if you don't fancy the kind of display that we have here. How you use the power of this tower to give you the best of Windows 10 is completely up to you. So maybe that's the appeal over a laptop. You're at home, you go to your desk, your dedicated space where the PC is, you've got a clean work environment, wireless keyboard and mouse, you've got a large enough monitor so you can comfortably snap your different applications side by side. What you lose in portability, you gain back in both improved performance and really freedom of choice. It's your space, it's where you want to get work done. And to be fair, that's the appeal of all of these devices that we've looked at in this series. We've seen 5 different desktop PCs, be it all-in-ones or tower-based. For a world that is growing increasingly mobile, all-in-ones and towers haven't been left behind and are still a great option if it is for you. Modern designs, modern performance, so modern Windows. So whether you're looking at your next PC or you work in retail and you're looking at what to recommend and how to recommend it, don't trick yourself into thinking that you still need a laptop. This move to modern that we're seeing is across all form factors. We hope you've enjoyed this series. If you did miss any of it, then do check out some of the earlier episodes. But leave a comment what you think of it, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe for more content on all things Microsoft. See you around.